The OneOdio Wireless Pro C headphones deliver a surprisingly refined high-resolution sound with strong low-end, clear vocals, and crisp treble that suits both casual listening and more critical monitoring. Their wireless battery life stretches for well over 100 hours, and the option to plug in a cable means you can keep listening indefinitely without worrying about charging. The large over-ear cups, plush memory foam padding, and soft protein leather make these headphones comfortable enough for extended work sessions, gaming nights, or long trips. A foldable headband and rotating ear cups help the Pro C collapse into a compact shape that is easy to toss into a bag without taking up much space. Bluetooth connectivity plus a standard 3.5mm jack let these headphones pair easily with computers, tablets, phones, and audio interfaces for very flexible, everyday use. The built-in microphone with noise reduction keeps call quality clean enough for remote meetings and podcasts, so you can talk hands-free without sounding muffled or distant.